Are you the proud owner of a car that you love and cherish like a member of your family, but secretly have no idea how to take care of? Well, my friend, you're not alone. Let's face it, not all of us were born with a wrench in our hand and a degree in mechanical engineering. But fear not. In this video from Car Computer Exchange, we're going to teach you everything you need to know about car maintenance. Yes, even you, the person who thinks oil changes are just for people who love spending money unnecessarily, should buckle up and get ready to be schooled. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss out on more life-changing tips like these. Change your oil regularly. You know what's worse than running out of gas in the middle of nowhere? It's running out of oil. That's why it's important to change your oil regularly. Not only does it keep your engine running smoothly, but it also helps extend the life of your car. To change your oil, start by finding the oil dipstick and checking the level. If it's low, add some more. If it's sturdy, it's time for a change. Don't worry, changing your oil is not rocket science. Just grab a drain pan, remove the oil filter, and drain the oil. Then, replace the oil filter and add new oil. Boom! You just saved yourself an expensive engine repair. Don't forget to dispose of your old oil properly. And, if you're feeling fancy, you can always upgrade to synthetic oil for better performance. Remember, an oil change a day keeps the mechanic away. Or was it an apple? Either way, make sure to do it regularly. Check your tire pressure. Have you ever driven on flat tires? It's not fun, trust me. That's why it's important to check your tire pressure regularly. Not only does it affect your safety, but it also affects your car's fuel economy and performance. To check your tire pressure, grab a tire pressure gauge and find the recommended pressure for your car's tires. Then, remove the valve cap and press the gauge onto the valve system. The gauge will give you a reading, and if it's too low, add some air. And if it's too high, release some air. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Pro tip: check your tire pressure when the tires are cold for more accurate readings. And don't forget to check the spare tire too. Check your brake pads. Have you ever been driving and suddenly realized that your brakes are not working? That's a nightmare that can be avoided by checking your brake pads regularly. Your brake pads stop your car, so they need to be in good condition. To check your brake pads, simply look through the spokes of your wheel to see the brake pad. If it looks thin, it's time for a replacement. If it's making a squealing noise, it's time for a replacement. If you're not sure, have a mechanic check it for you. Don't let worn-out brake pads put you in danger. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Replace your air filter. Your car needs to breathe, just like you do. That's why it's important to replace your air filter regularly. A dirty air filter can reduce your car's performance and fuel economy. To replace your air filter, find the air filter box and remove the old filter. Then, insert the new filter and close the box. Voila! You just improved your car's breathing. Pro tip: if you live in a dusty or polluted area, you may need to replace your air filter more often. A clean air filter can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency, so it's worth checking and replacing it regularly. Additionally, a clogged air filter can cause engine damage over time, so it's important to keep an eye on it. Replace your windshield wipers. Do you remember the last time you replaced your windshield wipers? If not, it's probably time for a change. Worn-out wipers can reduce your visibility during a rain or snow, which is a safety hazard. To replace your windshield wipers, simply lift the wiper arm and remove the old wiper. Then, attach the new wiper and lower the arm. Done! You just cleared the way for better visibility. Now, you can drive safely and confidently without any obstacles blocking your view. Remember to keep your windshield clean and clear for optimal visibility. How many of these basic vehicle maintenance tasks are you already doing? Let us know in the comments below. Hopefully, you're enjoying the content. If you want more videos like this one, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's go back to the video. Check your battery. What's worse than being unable to move your car because the battery has died? Nothing. This is why keeping an eye on your battery health is crucial. If the battery in your automobile isn't doing its job, you may forget about starting the engine. If your battery isn't keeping a charge, you should replace it as soon as possible. Ignoring a weak battery can lead to further damage to your car's electrical system, which can be costly to repair. It's important to check the health of your battery on a regular basis and replace it if necessary to avoid any trouble or extra costs. Check your fluids. Have you ever heard the saying, "Oil is the lifeblood of your car"? Well, it's true. Checking your fluids regularly is crucial to making sure your car runs smoothly. Your engine needs oil to lubricate its moving parts, and without enough oil, things can start to grind and wear down. So, make sure to check your oil, coolant, transmission fluid, and brake fluid on a regular basis. Regularly checking and topping off these fluids can help prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your vehicle. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule to ensure optimal performance and safety. Rotate your tires. Let's talk about tire rotation, or as I like to call it, the shuffle dance for your car. Tire rotation is important because your front and rear tires wear down differently, and rotating them helps to ensure they wear evenly. It's also a great time to check your tire pressure and make sure you're not driving around on underinflated tires. Plus, it's a great excuse to bust out some sweet dance moves. Underinflated tires can lead to poor fuel efficiency and uneven wear, which can be costly in the long run. Taking a few minutes to check your tire pressure can save you money and keep you safer on the road. Keep your car clean. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't need to clean my car, I'll just let the rain wash it off. But trust me, your car deserves more than that. Keeping your car clean not only makes it look nicer, but it also helps protect the paint and prevent rust. Plus, it's a great opportunity to find all those missing French fries that have been falling between the seats. Regular cleaning of your car's interior and exterior can also improve its resale value, as it shows that you have taken good care of the vehicle. A clean car can also make driving easier and make you feel less stressed while you're on the road. Listen to your car. Your car is like a musical instrument, and just like any good musician, you need to listen to it to make sure it's playing the right tune. If your car begins making strange noises, you shouldn't ignore them and hope they go away. It could be a sign that something is wrong, and the longer you wait to fix it, the worse it could get. So, listen to your car, and if it starts playing a new song, take it to the mechanic and get it checked out. Ignoring unusual sounds coming from your car can lead to more serious and expensive issues in the long run. So, it's important to address them as soon as possible. Regular maintenance and checkups can also prevent unexpected breakdowns and keep your car running smoothly. So, remember folks, don't be a total gearhead zero. Change your oil regularly, check your tire pressure, brake pads, air filter, windshield wipers, battery and fluids, rotate your tires, and keep your car clean. It may seem like a lot, but trust us, it's worth it in the long run. Now go out there and impress your friends and family with your newfound car maintenance skills. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome content here in Car Computer Exchange. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.